In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Step's Google Fit app. If you want a completely fresh start in Google Fit, wiping your step count and all related activity data, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap and what to expect. Keep in mind, this action permanently deletes your fitness data from Google Fit and it can't be undone. Make sure you're comfortable starting from zero before you proceed, and double check you're using the correct Google account. Begin by opening Google Fit on your phone or tablet. Give the app a second to load your current activity and ensure you're connected to the internet so any changes can sync properly across devices. At the top right, tap your profile icon. This little avatar is your gateway to account-specific settings, and it helps confirm you're adjusting the data for the right profile. Inside your profile area, look for the section labeled Fit Data and Privacy. This is where Google Fit Group's controls that manage what's stored, how it's used, and how you can remove it. Opening this page brings you to a dashboard with options focused on your personal data and how it's handled. Next, choose Deletions options. The wording may vary slightly by app version, but it will clearly indicate tools that remove your data. Entering this area is your final staging ground before anything is erased, so take a moment to read the descriptions on screen and be sure you understand the scope of what you're about to do. Now, select Delete All Data. This is the command that resets everything, including steps, distance, heart points, workouts, and any activity data synced from connected devices or apps. Think of it as returning Google Fit to a clean slate. Once you tap this, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt explaining that the deletion is permanent. To finish, tap Delete on the confirmation screen. The app may show a brief spinner while it processes the removal. Afterward, your activity feed and step count may take a moment to update as the app refreshes. If you still see old numbers for a short time, that's usually just cached information. Close and reopen the app or give it a minute to sync, and you should see your steps reset to zero. That's it. Your Google Fit steps and activity history have been cleared. From here, you can start tracking fresh, set new goals, and let your daily activity rebuild naturally. If you're sharing activity with other apps or devices, they'll continue syncing new data going forward, but the old history is gone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reset Google Fit with confidence.